Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most exciting and innovative technologies of all time, blockchain. More specifically, we will be discussing how blockchain technology is revolutionizing cryptocurrency. So, what is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger that enables secure, transparent, and tamper resistant record keeping of data. So, it uses a network of computers to create a decentralized database where each block of data is linked to the previous one in a chronological chain, forming an immutable and transparent ledger. This technology is based on cryptography, which ensures the security and integrity of the data stored on the blockchain. How blockchain is revolutionizing cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology has revolutionized the way cryptocurrency works, providing a secure and decentralized network for the exchange of digital assets. The technology behind blockchain is a distributed ledger that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions. In this video, let's explore how blockchain technology is revolutionizing cryptocurrency. So, one of the most significant advantages of blockchain technology is its decentralized nature. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology makes it a highly secure and transparent platform for transactions, data storage, and asset management. Decentralization refers to the distribution of control and decision making across a network of nodes. So, instead of being controlled by a single centralized authority, there is a network of computers called nodes. In traditional systems, such as financial institutions, there is a central authority that controls and monitors all the transactions. This centralization can lead to inefficiencies, corruption, and a lack of transparency. In contrast, blockchain technology is decentralized, which means there is no central authority controlling the network. Instead, the network is distributed across a network of nodes, each of which has equal power and decision making capabilities. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology provides several advantages. One of the most significant advantage is increased security. Traditional systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks, fraud, and other forms of manipulation. As the central authority has complete control over the network, in contrast, blockchain technology is highly secure as it is distributed across a network of nodes. This makes it more difficult for hackers to attack the network as they would have to target multiple nodes simultaneously to compromise the system. Another advantage of the decentralized nature of the blockchain technology is transparency. Decentralization ensures that all transactions are recorded and stored in a public ledger, visible to anyone on the network. This transparency increases trust between parties as it provides a clear and transparent record of all transactions. Additionally, the transparency of the blockchain network reduces the risk of fraud and corruption, as all transactions are visible to all the participants on the network. So, the decentralization of the blockchain technology also provides increased efficiency. In traditional systems, transactions occur through intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. This can lead to delays and additional costs as intermediaries charge fees for the service. In contrast, blockchain technology enables transactions to be completed peer to peer without the need for intermediaries. This increases efficiency, reduces costs, and streamlines the transaction process. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of blockchain technology provides greater control to users. In traditional systems, users must rely on centralized authorities to manage their assets and data. In contrast, blockchain technology provides users with greater control over their assets as they can manage their own transactions and data without relying on intermediaries or central authorities. This reduces the risk of data breaches and increases user privacy. Finally, the decentralized nature of blockchain technology provides a high resilient network as the network is distributed across a network of nodes. It is highly resistant to attacks and system failures. Even if a single node fails, the rest of the network can continue to function, ensuring that the system remains operational. So, blockchain technology also provides a transparent and immutable record of transactions. This means that all transactions on a blockchain network are recorded and stored in a way that cannot be altered, providing an accurate and permanent record of all activity on the network. Transparency is a critical aspect of blockchain technology. In traditional systems, such as financial institutions, the details of transactions are often kept confidential and are only accessible to those with authorized access. In contrast, blockchain technology provides a transparent and public record of all transactions on the network. This transparency increases trust between parties as it provides a clear and unambig- unambiguous record of all activity on the network. It also allows for greater accountability as all participants can view and verify the accuracy of transactions. The immutable nature of the blockchain network is another important advantage. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This means that the record of transaction is permanent and cannot be tampered with, providing a secure and reliable record of all activity on the network. This makes blockchain technology ideal for use in situations where transparency, security, and reliability are critical, such as financial transactions, supply chain management, and healthcare. The immutability of blockchain technology is achieved through the use of cryptographic algorithms. Each transaction on the network is verified and added to a block, which is then linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Once a block has been added to the chain, it cannot be altered without affecting the entire chain, making it nearly impossible to tamper with the network being, without being detected in the network. Furthermore, blockchain technology provides a distributed network, which ensures that there is no single point of failure in the system. Each node on the network has a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring that the network remains operational even if some nodes fail. This also provides a level of redundancy that traditional systems cannot match, ensuring that data is not lost in the event of a failure. The transparent and immutable nature of the blockchain technology also makes it ideal for use in auditing and compliance. Because all transactions on the network are recorded and stored in a way that cannot be altered, auditors and regulators can easily verify the accuracy of transactions and ensure that compliance network requirements are being met. This reduces the risk of fraud and non compliance, while also providing a clear and transparent record of all activity on the network. Finally, the transparency and immutability of the blockchain network can also provide benefits in terms of increased efficiency and cost savings. Because transactions on the network are verified and recorded automatically without the need for intermediaries, the transaction process is streamlined, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Additionally, the transparency of the network reduces the need for manual verification and auditing, further reducing costs and increasing efficiency. The use of blockchain technology has revolutionized the way cryptocurrencies are created, exchanged, and managed. In the past, digital currencies were centralized, meaning they were controlled by a central authority such as a bank or government. However, blockchain technology has enabled the creation of decentralized digital currencies which are not controlled by any single entity and rely on a distributed network of users to function. One of the key ways in which blockchain technology has revolutionized cryptocurrencies is by providing a secure and transparent platform for creating and managing them. Prior to the development of blockchain technology, digital currencies were susceptible to fraud and hacking, as they were often decentralized and lacked the security feature of traditional currencies. However, the use of blockchain technology has provided a highly secure platform for creating and managing digital currencies, ensuring that they're not susceptible to fraud and hacking. The use of blockchain technology also has enabled the creation of decentralized exchanges, which allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly without the need for intermediaries such as banks or brokers. This has increased the accessibility and liquidity of digital currencies, allowing more people to participate in the cryptocurrency market and making it easier to exchange one digital currency for another. Another way in which blockchain technology has revolutionized cryptocurrencies is through the use of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code on the blockchain. These contracts enable parties to transact with each other without the need for intermediaries, providing a more efficient and secure way to conduct transactions. For example, smart contracts can be used to automate the process of buying and selling assets, ensuring that the transaction is completed only when certain conditions are met. Furthermore, the use of blockchain technology has enabled the creation of new cryptocurrencies through a process known as initial coin offering or ICOs. ICOs are a way for startups to raise funds by selling their own digital currencies or tokens to investors. These tokens can be used to access a startup's product or service or can be traded on cryptocurrency exchange. ICOs have become a popular way for startups to raise funds as they provide a way to access capital quickly and easily without the need for intermediaries such as banks or venture capitalists. The use of blockchain technology has also enabled the creation of new applications for cryptocurrencies beyond traditional financial transactions. For example, blockchain technology can be used to create decentralized platforms for file sharing, social media, and gaming, among other things. These applications can provide new opportunities for people to transact with each other while also increasing the adoption and use for cryptocurrencies. Finally, the use of blockchain technology has provided greater transparency in the management of cryptocurrencies. Transactions on the blockchain network are publicly visible and cannot be altered, ensuring that all activity on the network is recorded and can be easily verified. This transparency increases trust between parties as it provides a clear and unambiguous record for all activity on the network. Blockchain technology has also revolutionized the way cryptocurrencies are exchanged. In the past, digital currencies were primarily traded on centralized exchanges that were controlled by a single entity or company. However, the use of blockchain technology has enabled the creation of decentralized exchanges, which allows users to trade digital currencies directly with each other without the need for intermediaries. Digital exchanges are provided by blockchain technology, which allows users to exchange cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. Instead, transactions are verified and proceeded by the blockchain network itself, with the users able to maintain control of their own funds throughout the exchange process. This is achieved through the use of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code on the blockchain. One of the most significant advantages of decentralized exchanges is their security. Centralized exchanges have been subjected to numerous high profile hacks and tests in the past, with many users losing significant amount of money. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, do not have a central point of control or single point of failure, which makes them less vulnerable to attacks. Furthermore, users maintain control of their own funds throughout the exchange processes, which further reduces the risk of theft or loss. Another advantage of decentralized exchanges is their transparency. Transactions on the blockchain network are publicly visible and cannot be altered, which ensures that all activity on the network is recorded and can be easily verified. This provides a high degree of transparency, which increases trust between parties and ensures that transactions are conducted in a fair and open manner. Decentralized exchanges are also more accessible than centralized exchanges, particularly for users in developing countries or regions with limited access to traditional financial services. Centralized exchanges often require more to go through a lengthy verification process and may have restrictions on which country or regions are eligible to participate. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, are open to anyone with an internet connection and a cryptocurrency wallet, making them more accessible to a wide range of users. Furthermore, decentralized exchanges are more resistant to censorship and government intervention. Centralized exchanges are often subject to regulatory scrutiny and may be forced to comply with the government regulations or shut down entirely in certain jurisdictions. Decentralized exchanges, however, are not controlled by a single entity and are much more difficult to regulate or shut down. Finally, decentralized exchanges provide greater control and autonomy to users. Users maintain controls of their own funds throughout the exchange process and are able to directly trade with each other without the need for intermediaries. This provides a greater degree of control and autonomy, which is highly valued by many cryptocurrency users. The use of smart contracts is another way of in which blockchain technology is very useful. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts which are uh, which expire on its own after certain conditions are met. So they are one of the most significant advantages of blockchain technology in the world of cryptocurrencies. One of the main benefits of smart contracts is is their ability to eliminate the need for intermediaries such as banks or other financial institutions. Traditionally, many financial transactions involve intermediaries who charge fee for the services. With smart contracts, the terms of the agreement are written into the code on the blockchain and are automatically executed when the specified conditions are met. This means there is no need for intermediaries, which can significantly reduce the transaction costs and increase efficiencies. Smart contracts also provide a higher degree of transparency and immutability than traditional contracts. The terms of the contracts are written onto the code on the blockchain and are publicly visible to all the parties involved in the transactions. Once the contract is executed, it is recorded on the blockchain and cannot be altered or deleted. This provides a high degree of transparency and immutability, which increases trust between the parties and reduces the risk of fraud or other forms of malfeasance. Another advantage of smart contracts is their ability to automate complex financial transactions. Traditional financial transactions often involve a complex web of intermediaries, each of which take a fee for the services. With smart contracts, complex financial transactions can be automated and executed without the need for intermediaries. For example, smart contracts could be created to automate the process of issuing and trading bonds, which would eliminate the need for intermediaries and reduce transaction costs. Smart contracts also can be used to automate other types of transactions such as supply chain management or voting systems. For example, a smart contract could be used to automate the process of tracking goods as they move through a supply chain, which would increase the efficiency and reduce costs. Similarly, a smart contract could be used to automate the process of voting in an election, which would increase transparency and reduce the risk of fraud. Another benefit of smart contracts is their ability to enable new types of financial transactions. For example, smart contracts could be used to create new types of financial instruments, such as decentralized options, contracts, or prediction markets. These new financial instruments could enable new types of economic activity and could help to further develop the cryptocurrency ecosystems. The use of blockchain technology has also improved the security of cryptocurrencies. The security of cryptocurrencies has been a significant concern since their inception. As digital assets, cryptocurrencies are vulnerable to hacking and theft, which can result in significant financial losses for the investors. However, the use of blockchain technology has improved the security of cryptocurrencies in several ways. One of the most significant ways that blockchain technology has improved the security of cryptocurrencies is through the use of cryptographic techniques. Cryptography is the practice of securing information by converting it into a code that can be only decoded with a secret key or password. Blockchain technology uses cryptography to secure transactions on the network, making it extremely difficult for hackers to gain unauthorized access to the system. The decentralized nature of the blockchain technology also improves the security of cryptocurrencies. In a traditional financial system, a central authority such as bank or government is responsible for for securing financial transactions. That is security of the financial transactions. This centralization makes the system vulnerable to attack as a single point of failure can compromise the entire system. However, blockchain technology is decentralized with transactions verified and recorded on a network of nodes. This means that even a single point of failure is compromised, the transaction can still occur. Another way that blockchain technology improves the security of cryptocurrencies is through the use of consensus mechanisms. Consensus mechanisms are the rules that govern how transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. There are several types of consensus mechanisms, including proof of work, proof of stake, and delegated proof of stake. These mechanisms ensure that the transactions added to the blockchain are valid and that the network remains secure. Additionally, blockchain technology provides a transparent and immutable record of transactions, which can help to prevent fraud and increase trust between parties. Because all transactions are recorded on the blockchain, it is easy to track the movement of funds and ensure that they are being used appropriately. Furthermore, because blockchain is immutable, once a transaction has been recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This provides a high degree of security and ensures that transactions are final and irreversible. Finally, the use of smart contracts on the blockchain can improve the security of cryptocurrencies. Smart contracts can be used to automate complex transactions and ensure that the terms of the agreement are met before the funds are released. This can help to prevent fraud and increase the security of the transaction. So the conclusion of this video is blockchain technology has revolutionized the world of cryptocurrency in many ways. It has provided a secure, decentralized, and transparent platform for conducting financial transactions, thereby eliminating the need for intermediaries like banking and other financial institutions. This has resulted in faster, cheaper, and more efficient transactions with the reduced risk of fraud and corruption. Blockchain technology has also enabled the creation of new types of digital assets such as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which have become increasingly popular in recent years. NFTs have provided a new way for artists, musicians, and other creators to monetize their work and connect with their fans, while also creating new investment opportunities for buyers. Furthermore, blockchain technology has enabled the development of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts that can automate various aspects of a transaction. This has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including real estates, supply chain management, and healthcare, amongst the others. Overall, blockchain technology has brought a significant transformation in the world of cryptocurrency, providing a secure and efficient platform for conducting financial transactions and enabling the development of new types of digital assets and smart contracts. Its impact on the world of finance and beyond is likely to continue to grow in the coming years. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.